Okay guys, I gotta put my Crocs in sport mode. Babe, please stop rubbing on my butt. I can't. Okay.
What's up, y'all?
Hey guys.
Good morning,
It's Diamond and Micah. I'm Diamond.
I'm Micah.
And welcome to another episode of
Two Girls and a Van. So what
we do that.
Welcome to the episode.
Baby, look.
Hey.
They talking to us.
Alright, what's up, y'all?
Hey guys, it's Diamond and Micah. I don't know
this way. Come here.
Y'all, we filmed this intro like 7 times already.
Yeah, it's all good though.
Woo. Ready? Here we go. Hey guys. What is wrong with me today? I haven't had coffee in 2 days and I didn't have coffee today. I'm just like, ooh.
She had coffee today. She's jittery, y'all.
I'm just extra.
What's up, guys? It's
Hi,
Diamond
guys.
and Micah.
I'm Diamond.
I'm Micah.
And welcome to another. I gotta keep my hands.
Welcome to another episode of Two Girls and a Van. Today we're gonna work on Nova's floor. So we're gonna take out some we're gonna clean out her back, lay down some insulation, lay down some wood. Well, we gotta trace the wood.
Oh my goodness. This is why I gotta come to work ready to go, because letting this girl take over is not Okay guys, hey, in the last video we did the insulation, so if you didn't see that video, make sure you go and check on it. In this video we are doing the flooring. We will explain as much as we can. We really, again, we know what we're doing, but we don't know what we're doing, and we just kind of hope everything. Babe, please.
This one gonna have a lot of bloopers. It felt good.
Mind y'all, when we got together this morning, we was both tired. Now it's just like she's so extra. Babe, please stop rubbing on my butt. I can't.
Okay. Okay.
Today we're doing the subflooring, okay? Come on. Hey guys, so in a few videos back when we thought we were gonna complete the floor in Destin, we prepped it and we closed all of the factory holes with Seal Flex, I think that's what it's called. However, we closed the main holes that we were gonna use to drill the floor down. I believe that there's 4 main factory holes that, you know, have like the bolts in them. I mean, when we show you, it'll be easier to explain. But anyways, we need to drill through this Seal Flex. We had some acetone on it to try to bring it up. It made it kind of softer, but it's still in there. So Babe's gonna get the drill. We're gonna try to drill through again, because that's how we're gonna be securing the floor, with these holes.
All right, guys. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to take this drill. I'm about to find these holes that we covered up in the van. So, I'm gonna start off real slow.
Voila! Just that easy. So, hey guys, so with that botched intro that we did, we got to say, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing?
What are you doing now?
We'll give you some time. We really don't have time to give, but we'll give you some. Okay, you should be subscribed now. What?
I
So right now, Bae is cleaning the floor. She just finished sweeping. Gonna wipe it down. Put some Fabuloso. Make Nova smell real good and delicious and all that stuff. And then the next project will be to cover these wheel wells. What's up, guys? Ooh, camera's about to die. Now we're about to trace the insulation. Well, trace the floorboard so we can know what size of insulation we need. Then we're gonna plop the insulation on here. Babe's about to trace that out. And yeah.
Ooh, it's hot already. Hi guys, welcome back. Just kidding. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's your girl, my God, and your other girl, Diamond. And we just gonna finish cutting out this insulation and place it down on the floor and tape it together. So.
Hey guys, I gotta put my Crocs in sport mode. Ooh. Y'all, it don't get no better than this. Look at this fit. It is icy. We have a book. Welcome to day 3 of this floor installation. We don't have that much to do today. We just have to put the subflooring in. The birch wood.
Yes, the birch wood. We gotta
trace
it, cut it, sand it, prime it, put it down, then screw it in.
Yep.
And then on top of that, that's when we'll start doing our real decorative floor. But not all at once, but that's just a little imagination for you guys.
Yes, we are working in the backyard because it is hot.
Y'all see this? First of all, y'all see all this hair on my head.
It is so hot. So we're gonna do everything in the backyard. We have like 2 coolers of fruit and drinks. And we're gonna get it done today. I'm excited.
Me too.
So we ordered the plywood for the subflooring like a month or 2 ago when we were in Destin, but we didn't know that the dimensions were going to be so small.
Hold on, babe.
Alright.
Sorry guys.
so small. So when we did the insulation, they were like, I don't know the exact dimensions, but they were small. We had to do like 6 different pieces.
Right.
But for the subflooring, we don't want to make that many cuts because it's not going to be as sturdy and durable. So we want to do maybe like a big sheet in the back where the wheel wells are, 1 in the middle, and then like maybe 2 more in the front just so it can fit good. But we don't want to do like 6 pieces of plywood. So we need to return the plywood that we have and go and get bigger sheets. The only problem is the insulation's in Nova, so we don't want to put the plywood in the back of the van because it's not going to sit properly. It's going to be like too much,
like crease. It'll put a crease in the insulation.
Exactly. And my dad has a work truck, but I honestly don't even know where the keys are. And that's driving all the way over there to do this, to drop it back off, to come back all the way over here. So yeah,
we're probably just gonna order it online.
And then
we'll go in the store and order it because we don't see the size that we need online.
And we have to go in and see how big it is anyway. And it's hot. Did we say it was hot?
So we just did a whole workout, moved everything from the garage. It was for a good cause though. But yes, it's hot.
You trying to be positive?
Yeah, I caught myself being negative, y'all. Sometimes you just gotta catch yourself.
But yeah, we'll pick you guys up when we know what the heck we're doing. To see how they copied me real quick. That's all. She changed her whole outfit to copy me. Yes, I am. Do you see that recording thing right there? Anything you would like to say for yourself?
I did copy her. I asked her permission. She didn't say it was a problem, so at least I have the privilege, you know, to match you.
You guys see how small those boards are? They weren't gonna fit anything. So we're gonna return them. We're on our way to Home Depot now. So we put these boards down basically to act as a barrier for the wood that we're going to put on. So yes, we decided to take Nova and we'll just put the wood on top of it and it should be okay. Y'all, this heat is not playing any games. We have the floor traced out and I'm trying to convince Bae to go ahead and cut it out today.
We can do it.
I think we can do it. I think we can cut it out, make sure it fits, but then sand and wood stain, not stain, but wood protect prime a later time. But I want to get this video out for you guys because we haven't had a van video in 2 weeks.
It's a huge project, guys.
It is.
Bear with us. We out here working, y'all. We out here working, so.
It's just we're this close and like it will feel so good just to have it done and drink a whole bottle of wine. Not in glass, not 2 glasses, but the whole bottle each. Right, Bae?
Yeah, each.
Hey guys, it's day 4 working on the flooring and today should definitely be the last day. All we have to do is cut out the rest of the wood. We cut out some wood in the last video. I'm not sure if I inserted the clip or not, but we just have to cut out the 3 pieces of plywood, make sure they fit in the van, sand them down, go in with some primer paint on the wood, and then that's pretty much it.
Alright guys, so we're about to tear up some insulation on the wheel well because the wood is not fitting into place because the insulation is so clogged. So do not insulate your wheel wells before you put down your floor. Understood?